Hi everyone, welcome to Craft with the Houston Public Library. My name is Valentin and today we're going to learn how to do a looping penguin, just like this one. And you can use it for display or you have a table, put it on your table. And if you don't have orange paper or black paper, you can use a white sheet of paper and just color it the color that you want to use. Are you ready? It's time to get started. We start by grabbing our black paper and ruler and we're gonna measure it. So we're gonna make a mark at number 2, here at number 2, and then we make another mark at 5.5. Like this. Then we do the same, the opposite side. We mark a mark in 2 inches and the other one in 5.5, just like this. We turn the ruler around and connect the lines like this. There we go, and there we go. Next, what are we gonna do? We're gonna cut each strip. You should get something like this. Next, we grab our black paper and we're gonna draw 2 shaped wings like this. And once you cut it, you will get something like this, which are gonna be the penguin's wings. Next, we grab our white paper and we just draw a semi-oval like this. And then we cut it and we're gonna get something like this. Next, we grab our orange paper. We draw a diamond like this. And then we draw 2 feet like this. Okay, and then we cut it. Next, let's get ready. We grab our large strip and we fold it like this. We make a circle. And next, we're gonna grab our tape. So this will be the lower body. And we just put the tape around like this. And then on the other side, so we can hold it. Next, we grab our smaller strip and we do the same thing. We grab our tape and put it on one side like this. And then we do the same with the next one. Well, we have our loop. Next, we're gonna grab our small loop and our big loop. And we're gonna place the small loop in the middle on top of the big loop, and we grab some tape. So you see how our penguin is coming out? Next, we're gonna grab our white paper and we're gonna add some glue. That is part of the body, and we're gonna glue it to the bigger loop, which is the body of the penguin. And we just stick it like this in the middle. Now we grab our wings. We add some glue like this and stick it inside the loop like this. There we go. We do the same with the next one. We're gonna grab our pair of toes and put it underneath the loop, just like this. So what else is missing? We're gonna put both of the eyes, like this. And we're gonna put it on the smaller circle, like this. Next, we're gonna do the beak. We add some glue on the back and place it on the smaller loop, like this. And there you go, you have your looping penguin. Thank you everyone for joining us today for Craft Time. Hope you like it. Bye, adios.